bàbá olóyin Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.
Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì. Táwọn tọ́lọ́run, bàbá olóyin gan, bàbá olóyin original. I'm saying at Iyesota, bàbá olóyin bus stop, bàbá olóyin bus stop, Iyesota. Today, I want to tell you the reason why some people are having delay marriages and promise and fail. Many girls, they used to call me. They have already introduced the bride-to-be to their parents. They have introduced their husband, future partner, to their parents. But later, if we just see that the marriage scattered. They never marry, but when the lady called the husband-to-be, he will not pick calls again. And the same thing happened to man also. You have introduced a lady to your family. When it is about to get wed, when it is about to do your wedding, you are about to wed, the lady will disappoint you. Don't come to my office again. If you come, I will shout chief to your head. You will say, Abi, aye ló ń ṣe mí ni. Abi, na witches and wizards dey worry me. What are the causes of these things? I will tell you today. The reason why you have delayed marriages. You are about to marry, but something just happen, and you can't do it again. You have promise and fail. You have carried their regbe sacrifice to junctions. Still, nothing. I think I've mentioned something like this in my other channel, Kenny Show. But still, some people, they didn't follow. Though some people, they appreciated by giving me some money that time. I will tell you the secret today. Get seated. Don't forget, I'm Baba Oloyin Original. I'm the publisher of this book, Honey as a Medicine. I'm the publisher. This is Agbára Ìwòsàn Oyin, Healing Power of Honey. Is here. This is Ọ̀nà Àbáyọ Sísòro Ẹ̀dá, Solution to Woman Problems. You will see it. It is written in English and Yoruba languages. Yes, this is the latest book. Agbára Èèyàn Dúdú, African Power. Yes, in this African Power, you will see many things there. This is my latest book. Those of you that were patronizing me over this book, some people are giving me money because of this book. I will never stop thanking you. Yes, you are giving me encouragement on this book. How you can protect yourself? You are not in a position to carry mopo around. You are not in a position to carry mobile police to guide your wife, to guide your children to school. But what Malu Toniruni, a tailless cow, God knows how you used to protect the cow. Yes, this is it. What you can do here, the day and afternoon the day and midnight can never meet each other. Yes, 1 a.m. sand, 1 p.m. sand. When you mix them together to protect yourself, it's in this book. A needle will pass through before the thread gets its own problems. And don't forget this root. This root for immune system. Yes, you cannot do before. You cannot do as you used to do before. This is a root for you to boost your immune system. You have diabetes, you have rheumatism, you have arthritis. This is African Power book you need to for this one. To get the name of this root. You must get the name of this root. This root is very scarce in the market now. Some people used to call me We can't get it, but they cannot pay for delivery. Yes. Even within Nigeria, you tell them the route is 5,000 naira. They want to send out the same 5,000 to you. How can he reach you when you are not ready to pay for courier service? That's the problem for them. If you have a family in Lagos, they can go to Lagos, tell any Yoruba app sellers, any Yoruba seller, any app seller, you will see the name in the book. Tell them they will sell for you. If you want to buy all these my books online, you can get them. You can get them on WhatsApp or email or Gmail. You can get my books on WhatsApp, email or Gmail. They are on PDF format. You can get them there. Yes. Don't forget, the program you are watching is Baba Oloyin Original Television. My phone number is on the screen. You will see it. And you can see it at the bottom of this video. Then you can make payment. Yes, don't forget, if you want to buy the books online, you can contact me. You can buy the books online. Yes, you can buy it on WhatsApp, email, or Gmail if you are not in Nigeria. But if you are in Nigeria and you want to buy the books, you can buy the books. You can buy it, we can send it to you through courier services. If you can pay for delivery, courier service will charge you. Then you pay, they deliver. Even if you are ready to buy these products within Nigeria, they can sell for you, provided you can pay. Because some people are stingy. Anything that will benefit them, they won't be able to pay. That's why, even if it is honey, the rate they used to send liquid is the price is different from the one for books. But when you tell them, they say, no, I have a sister who is selling honey at Shein, and go to your sister. So about that, we don't tell people, we don't send honey to people. We always mention it. Because when you come, your people will not appreciate. Even if you send this honey to some people, they will not remember to say thank you, because it's a dark brown honey. It's not like the one they used to buy around. That sugar honey, white honey, fine honey. That is a song of one musician. So today, I told you earlier on, this is a bottle. If you always have promise and faith, and you have spiritual husband, if you have spiritual husband to get married, you will do like this. Yes, I'm not cursing you, because that your spiritual husband will not allow you as a lady to marry on this heavenly earth. He will never. And you are a man or boy, you always dream, you have sex in the dream. To get a wife of your choice, it will take a very long time. In my second channel, my sister station, Kenny Show, I've taught you this thing before. You can watch it there. But I'm repeating here because it is it's so common nowadays. This is a stone, a small stone. If you cannot get that clean stone, Akokuta, you sell the stone. Some ladies are calling me, and we cannot get a stone. How can we get it at supermarket? Or where you can't get it any app seller. They don't sell stone. They will never sell stone for you. Look around in your area. You are in America, you are in London, you are Britain, Japan, Canada, South Africa. Look at a small stone. Look for it. Get it. Wash it. Wash a white bottle. Put the stone inside the bottle. Then put water. Cover it with the cover. After 3 hours, you begin to drink it. Just take small shot in the morning, in the afternoon, or night. If you don't know shot, the cover of the other Shinap bottle is short. But if you can get the cover like this, just take one cover in the morning, in the afternoon, and night. Continue taking it. That your spiritual husband will not come again. It will not come. He will not come again. He will not. Yes, he will not come again. If you are a lady, if you are a man, that spiritual wife will not come again. Because some people, they used to call me that Even in the afternoon, they used to visit them. It will never happen again. Don't forget, the program you are watching is Baba Oloyin original television program, and it's on Baba Oloyin original television. My telephone number 08054749455. 08054749455. You will see it at the bottom of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, so that anytime we load video, YouTube will inform you. You will know that Baba Oloyin has posted a new video. And those of you that normally share, don't forget to share among friends and relatives. Share. As you are sharing this program, you are sharing to your sister that is 45 and never married. Your sister that is 48, never married. They have carried load to Johnson's. They have carried load to Johnson's. They don't know that the problem is spiritual husband who will never allow you to marry earthly husband. Spiritual wife will never allow you to marry earthly wife. Yes, that is what is happening. And those of you that get promise and faith, you are about to get contract, you are about to do interview. Once you have that sex dreams, the interview you are going to do is forfeited already. So you have to take note of this thing. This is the solution. I'm repeating again. Put stone. If you cannot see that the one that the body is very smooth, get any stone. Wash it. Pray to God. I want you to command this stone to work for me. Put it in a bottle. Put water to it. After 3 hours, begin to drink it. Any night sleep you have, you will never observe it again. I'm repeating because the problem of these things is so common now. It's very common. People are now telling me stories. We are about to do marriage. My husband says no more interested. I'm about to do marriage. My girlfriend, my future partner, decided not to go to church or court with me again. Don't forget, this is another route for rheumatism, arthritis, immune system. You can reduce your low sugar level. Yes, don't forget, when you buy African Power Book, you will see it there. This is African Power Book. For those of you that are giving me money, I can never do without thanking you. Some people, they used to watch this program. They will just say, Baba, give me your account number. I'm not buying anything. But the way you are just teaching people. So a man called me that he knows how much a lady that happened to be his own sister spent on this spiritual husband. And you are teaching us free of charge. He gave me money. You want to know how much? I will not tell you. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You will see subscribe button, red one. Press it. It doesn't call you extra charge. Press it. Then you are subscribed already with that. If you are subscribed already, you don't need it again. Because if you are subscribed, this thing will ask you cancel or unsubscribe. Just leave it. Because it's not asking you because you have subscribed before. But if you have never subscribed, if you have not subscribed, press subscribe. You just click it. It will tell you that you are subscribed. Anytime I load the video, because I will be loading many secrets for you. Don't forget, the next time when I meet you again, remain blessed.
Baba Oloyin, Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì tá ń tọ́lọ́run. Gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí, ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.